message. You know, right now there's a bill that's coming up on June 30th, just about 2 weeks away, and it's really called the School Choice Bill. And I want to appeal to you for a few moments about this particular bill. Maybe you're aware of it, maybe you're not aware of it, but right now in our communities, especially in the urban community, we have the graduation rate on a steady decline. Right now, we're only graduating approximately 50% of our youth that start off in 9th grade that don't make it to the senior year. And again, especially in our urban communities where most of us are pastoring. I'm here to tell you that there is a bill right now that's on the table that Governor Christie has committed to sign off on if there's enough support. Now, this particular bill is a bill that will allow a student to go to whichever school they desire, as long as their parents can get them there. And the money, the tuition, will follow the student. So in other words, if a student is living in Camden and desires to then go to school in Haddonfield, Morristown, Cherry Hill, the money will follow the student and the child can get the education that they desire. Especially some schools are more suited for the area of interest that that student might have. We want the best for the student. You know, several years ago, the U.S. was #1 in education. In technology alone, we were #1 right here in New Jersey and across this country, and yet now we've dropped down to number 17. Our whole education system needs revamping. You know, Governor Christie has committed, especially with this first bill, to sign off on the school choice bill that will allow students to be able to move to various schools without the parents being penalized. I'm coming before you as a pastor, as a father, as a grandfather now, for you to go online and look at the bill yourself. If we put enough pressure on our key senators and the Speaker of the House, if they allow this bill to go before Governor Christie, he will sign off on it, and we can stop this terrible decline and downward spiral of our students. I'm asking you to prayerfully consider doing what we're asking you to do. If it's something you feel you want to get behind, at the end of this brief video announcement, there'll be the state senators' names, their phone numbers, and their email addresses, along with the Speaker. Especially the Speaker. Please call, email. You'll be surprised how much your phone call and your email will mean. And if it's something you really want to get behind, I encourage you to do like I did with our congregation. Ask them to do the same. You know, if we have a couple hundred churches and pastors rally behind this, and each one of us as pastors make the phone calls, send out an email, and they get our congregation members to do the same, we can bombard the senators and the Speaker with thousands and thousands of phone calls and emails that will put enough pressure to bring about change. You know, change never happens without pressure. And I believe this is the time for the church to be the church and stand up for what we rightfully believe in. And I believe that school choice should be in the hands of not the politicians or the government or the city, but back in the hands of the parents. I pray that you will consider this. And after you prayerfully consider this and you decide to move accordingly, you have my phone number included on this email, along with the email addresses and phone numbers of those senators and the Speaker. And please, let's bombard it and bring about a change right here in New Jersey. God bless you. Thank you for your love, your support, and your work for the kingdom of God. And surely know you this, that your work is not in vain. God bless you.
Hi, I'm Fantasia, and I know what it's like to struggle in school. That's why I've joined Excellent Education for Everyone to support New Jersey's Opportunity Scholarship Act. This legislation will provide scholarships to low-income students to attend the school of their choice. Take that opportunity and get everything that you can. Please join me in supporting the Opportunity Scholarship Act.
School